Alright, this is part 2 of this indoor, no battery, high voltage solar light experiment that was inspired by Ben's videos. And go back one video and I explain more about this, but this was my idea, was to use a very small solar panel inside a dwelling, getting light somehow through a window, and move that energy using this circuit and turning it into an alternating current and using long wiring and not losing the power by turning it into AC, and then be able to move this light to another part of a dark dwelling to use it. So this was my thought, because if you keep this at DC, you're going to have line loss, and that's why we went to alternating current, was to keep the wires smaller and not lose the power. So let me show you my idea. Suppose you're in a house, there's only one part that's light in the house, but you want to go someplace else and read a book. Well, with one of these systems, you just have another situation where you go into a darkened area, and now you can read about the world with this new light that you've just produced. And you've moved the light from one room to another room, and you're able to transport the light using an extension cord or AC wiring. If you wired up your house like this, you could, for not very much money, have lighting in different dark rooms using this system that I just showed. And granted, this is not high lumen to watt ratio, but you know what? If I was living in a hut down here in Africa and I couldn't read a book during the day because it was too dark where I lived, where my bed was, this would be a godsend to me. If I had a light like that worked every single day, as long as the sun came up, I was able to read or study or do whatever I wanted to do, and I had my own light. The battery never went dead. If somebody gave that to me when I was a kid and I was able to better myself because of that light, that would be huge. And one of the researchers on the project is over here in Indonesia, and he said that a lot of people die per year because of fire, because they're still using candles and fire for lighting and such. And you know what? We need this. This is something that could be mass produced. And like I say, it runs on an extension cord, a long extension cord, with a very simple circuit and a very small solar panel. And this could make a difference. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope somebody picks up on this, understands what I'm showing here, and runs with the ball. Thanks for watching.